Alright, so you've got a drone, and you're ready to take to the skies. Awesome! But believe me, starting out as a new drone pilot can feel overwhelming. Don't worry though, focus on these key lessons I've learned, and you'll be flying like a pro in no time. First up, before you try any fancy maneuvers, get comfortable with takeoff, landing, hovering, and basic directional movements. Use beginner mode if your drone has it. Trust me, I learned this the hard way after crashing in strong winds due to lack of experience. Next, understanding and following local drone regulations is crucial for safety and avoiding hefty fines. Use apps like B4, UFLI, or AirMap to check for no-fly zones and airspace restrictions before each flight. Nearly flying into restricted airspace near an airport was a close call I don't want to repeat. Extra batteries, propellers, a sturdy carrying case, and ND filters are must-haves. Always carry backup batteries to avoid cutting a flight short. I once had to end a paid gig early because I ran out of juice. Not fun. Are your best friends. Plan your flights in advance, scout locations, check for obstacles, and visualize your shots. Use flight simulators to practice without risking your drone. I lost signal once due to power lines I hadn't scouted for. Lesson learned. Every crash or near miss is a learning opportunity. Analyze what went wrong and adjust future flights accordingly. Keep a flight log to track your progress and identify recurring issues. My first crash taught me caution and boosted my confidence after analyzing the cause. Finally, don't be afraid to seek help. Becoming a skilled drone pilot takes time and dedication. Reach out to online forums, training programs, or local drone communities. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So, there you have it. These lessons will help you on your journey to mastering the skies with your drone. Happy flying and stay safe up there.